welcome back to the Diotti.com channel. One of our clients has asked us, where can I hang coats in an entryway where space is limited? This is a very interesting question because often entrance halls are already very small areas, and sometimes the entrance hall isn't even a defined area and the front door opens straight into the lounge. Winter coats tend to be large and bulky. They take up more space and appear untidy. Therefore, space-saving solutions are so important. Here are 4 top products to organize your entrance hall. Number 1, wall-mounted coat hangers. A wall-mounted entryway coat rack or hooks are classic, simple solutions. This is a very minimalist option, allowing for a clean overall look and optimal organization in the entrance hall. Choose the number of hooks that you need. With coat hooks, homeowners can easily organize their coats, hats, and bags while maintaining extra floor space as the hooks are wall-mounted. This also allows for you to add another stylish item in the entryway below the coat rack, such as a storage bench or a sideboard. There are so many modern, original, and interesting designs available, and one doesn't need to be limited to basic designs. Endless color and forms. Number 2, coat tree stands. Today, there are countless modern, original coat tree stand designs available, and what was once a basic functional item can now add to the overall aesthetic of your home. The options are endless. Designer coat trees, coat stands with minimal or sculptural forms, neutral or colorful, elegant or funky. This is another space-saving idea, but it's more adapted to a slightly larger entrance hall where you can afford to use more floor space. Front doors tend to open directly into the living room in modern homes, and a coat tree highlights where the entrance is without taking up too much living room floor space. Furthermore, a freestanding coat rack can be moved around, allowing for easy cleaning and rearranging. Number 3, multi-use coat stands. This cleverly designed product is perfect for those in search of something that is between a minimal coat tree stand and a closed closet. Coats and bags are hidden neatly from sight, but you can easily rearrange the entryway as it can be moved around. A minimal, clean outer appearance is created by the cover, which you can often customize. You could opt for designs with incorporated full-length mirrors, which not only conceal the coats, but also create the illusion of more space. And they can be used as a place to look at your outfit one more time before leaving home. Number 4, entryway closets. If you have a more spacious entrance hall, you can consider adding a more complete storage solution, perfect for organizing your coats and frequently used items. This is a solution which is ideal for family homes, as more people means more shoes, coats, hats, and bags to organize, and maybe even the dog's leash. Options range from structures with both coat hanging sections and openable compartments to entryway coat closets with multiple storage compartments and shelves onto which you can place wallets and keys. Get creative when customizing your coat closet, considering your personal and family needs. This product is different from a single item such as a coat tree stand, as it has multiple functions. Umbrella holders and shoe storage can all be incorporated, meaning that items which might get in your way in the entrance hall are instead neatly organized. A closed coat closet allows for a sleek, clean appearance from the outside and allows for optimal organization of all of your frequently used items. A mirrored coat closet door allows for the illusion of depth in the entryway and, once again, a place for you to look at your outfit one last time before going to work or dinner. Which was your favorite idea for organizing coats in the entryway? And will you be using any of these space-saving solutions? Let us know down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to catch more episodes of our questions and answers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.